Good morning. We are at beautiful Dominion Valley Country Club in Haymarket, Virginia. We are so grateful they allowed us to film out here. It is a beautiful day.
It is terrific.
Beautiful day. And every time we come back here, they're doing something new, making this place more beautiful than it was from the last time.
It's always spectacular, but especially now.
Yes, now fall is here.
Fall is here. You know, and with fall, we just received some information this morning, a report that the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics released. And we talked about this a little bit in the last couple of videos. And I think there was a surprise this morning. There was a lot of anticipation that we were going to hear inflation numbers that were going to start coming in below 3%. The surprise, I think, for many of us was that it actually came in at 3.7. Yeah. So that would mean that the inflation rate from August of 2022 to August of 2023 is 3.7. Yes. That's a 0.5% increase over the report that was that came out last month for July. So a little bit of a surprise there. We're also waiting, anticipating next week on September 20th. We hear about the Fed's decision whether they're going to continue to tick up their interest rate. That's going to be released on the 20th.
September 20th.
Yeah, September 20th. And we are, you know, many reports say that they're going to hold steady. I think at this point, Denise, we've probably stopped forecasting.
Yeah, we'll wait and see, and we'll be the first to let you know.
Yeah.
But listen, if you're looking for some good news, we also had some more numbers come out yesterday. The information, the real estate data came out. And so we're also going to give you a little quick rundown on all of that.
Well, let's go ahead and get started. In the month of August, we had the median sold price increased a bit. It went up to $651,000 in Northern Virginia.
Yeah, it's actually 0.2%, so it's very steady, but a little increase, we'll take it.
And some further good news is that the number of homes that sold in the month of August was 2,590.
Yes, and that's actually up 5.5%, which is really great, especially with the inventory that we've been lacking recently.
So true. The days on the market ticked up just slightly in August, and it went up to 16 days.
Yeah, which isn't all that much because the previous month we were at 13 days to go under contract.
Yeah, and then last but not least, the homes for sale. This is the number of homes that are for sale. We call that the inventory available. Ticked up to 2,640.
And that's up 6%, which is really good.
Yeah, it is. And as you all remember, these are statistics that are taken from the Northern Virginia area, which includes, I think, as we counted them, about 10 different locations.
Correct.
And so these are taken from market statistics up through August. So these are fairly recent reports, yes. And we're starting to get these earlier and earlier. So we'll bring them to you as soon as we can.
Yep.
And I think, you know, the bottom line really is that inventory is still low. I think it's a product of probably, you know, sellers are reluctant to put their houses on the market because they just don't know where to go. And secondly, if you hold a 3% interest rate, 3.5% interest rate, you're probably reluctant. And we're starting to see, you know, maybe a little bit of a change, maybe a little bit of downward trend for interest rates, but they're still hovering in that 7% range. That sellers are a little concerned about, you know, selling. Where do we go?
Yeah.
And do we want to replace that 3% interest rate with a 7% interest rate?
Yep, for sure. So thank you for staying tuned this time. I'm going to put in the links below where you can sign up for a newsletter. We do newsletters as often as we do videos once a week, and we have a ton more information and really some in-depth analysis about everything we're talking about.
Yeah. Well, we hope that you can come on out to Dominion Country Club. Hey, how about this weekend?
That's right.
And we hope that this, again, information is always valuable to you. Please make sure that you visit our website, take a look at our blog, sign up for our YouTube channel, and we'll hope to see you soon.
Okay, bye.